Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You already have the basics, now act. First, make sure your Skype profile is complete with a real photo and a short headline so people recognize you. Once done, sync your email and phone contacts, then search for friends by username or email, add a short personalized note when sending a request. This immediate outreach speeds responses, and being discoverable increases accept rate. Make sure to set your presence to visible so contacts know you're available. Now that contacts are pending or accepted, move to meaningful outreach. You should open with a personalized message that references a shared group, interest, or recent post. This increases reply likelihood. Then join relevant Skype public groups or community chats to meet new people, participate actively, and share helpful messages. Once a rapport forms, suggest a short voice or video call to deepen the connection. These real-time interactions can finish by making friendships sustainable. Schedule regular check-ins, share interesting content, and set a recurring call for catch-ups so bonds grow naturally. Make sure you maintain privacy settings that match your comfort level and promptly block or report spammy accounts. If people stop appearing or invites fail, try resyncing contacts, check for app updates, and restart or reinstall Skype. This usually fixes connectivity and presence problems. If that doesn't work, temporarily switch to a web client to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.